Your knee cartilage is disappearing at a rate of 1% every single year after you turn 30. That's not normal aging. That's preventable destruction happening right now in your joints while you're sitting there. Today, I'm revealing 10 collagen-rich foods that can actually rebuild your cartilage and strengthen your legs from the inside out. But here's what's going to shock you. The most powerful one isn't bone broth. It's not salmon, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now completely ignored. Before we dive in, I want you to guess something. Which common breakfast food contains more bioavailable collagen-building nutrients than a cup of bone broth? Drop your guess in the comments. I guarantee you'll be surprised by the answer. Bone broth, the liquid gold misconception. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Bone broth isn't the collagen miracle everyone claims it is. Your stomach acid breaks down those large collagen molecules before they ever reach your joints, turning your expensive bone broth into basic amino acids. The real power comes from giving your body the building blocks it needs to make its own collagen. That's completely different. Wild-caught salmon, the omega collagen connection. Wild salmon doesn't just provide collagen, it creates the perfect inflammatory environment for your body to actually use it. The omega-3 fatty acids reduce the chronic inflammation that's actively destroying your existing cartilage right now. When inflammation drops, collagen synthesis skyrockets. One serving gives you both the raw materials and the cellular conditions for joint repair. Egg whites, the hidden cartilage builders. What if I told you that the breakfast food beating bone broth is sitting in your refrigerator right now? Egg whites contain the highest concentration of glycine and proline, the two amino acids that form the backbone of every collagen molecule in your body. Your joints literally rebuild themselves using these exact building blocks. 3 egg whites provide more usable collagen precursors than an entire cup of bone broth. Citrus fruits, the vitamin C collagen catalyst. Here's where most people get collagen completely wrong. They focus on consuming it instead of manufacturing it. Vitamin C is the master switch that turns on collagen production in your body. And without it, all the collagen-rich foods in the world won't help your joints. One orange provides enough vitamin C to triple your natural collagen synthesis rate. No vitamin C, no collagen repair. Leafy greens, the copper-powered joint protectors. Think greens are just for general health? Think again. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard contain copper, a trace mineral that's absolutely critical for cross-linking collagen fibers into strong, flexible cartilage. Without adequate copper, your body produces weak, brittle collagen that breaks down under normal joint stress. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides the copper needed to strengthen every collagen fiber you build today. If you're already seeing how these foods work together to rebuild your joints from the inside out, hit that like button and subscribe because we're just getting to the most surprising foods that actually reduce joint pain faster than any supplement you can buy. Berries, the anthocyanin anti-inflammatory secret. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries aren't just antioxidant powerhouses. They're inflammatory assassins targeting the enzymes that destroy your cartilage. The anthocyanins in berries specifically block collagenase, the enzyme responsible for breaking down joint cartilage during inflammatory flare-ups. Eat a handful of mixed berries daily, and you're literally stopping cartilage destruction at the molecular level. Your joints stay younger longer. Nuts and seeds, the zinc-powered collagen synthesizers. Here's what supplement companies don't want you to know. Zinc deficiency is silently sabotaging your collagen production right now. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, and cashews provide the zinc your body needs to activate the enzymes that build new collagen molecules. Without zinc, your collagen synthesis drops by 60% within weeks. 2 ounces of mixed nuts daily keeps your collagen factories running at full capacity. Avocados, the healthy fat absorption enhancer. You can eat all the collagen-building foods in the world, but without healthy fats, your body can't absorb the fat-soluble vitamins that make collagen synthesis possible. Avocados provide the monounsaturated fats that help your intestines absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, all essential for cartilage repair and joint lubrication. 1 avocado increases nutrient absorption by up to 40%. Fat is your collagen's best friend. Garlic, the sulfur-rich cartilage rebuilder. Here's something that will blow your mind. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that directly stimulate cartilage cell regeneration. The allicin in fresh garlic activates chondrocytes, these specialized cells that produce new cartilage matrix in your joints. These cells literally rebuild your joint surfaces from the inside out. 2 cloves of fresh garlic daily can restart cartilage production that has been dormant for years. Dark chocolate, the surprising joint inflammation fighter. Plot twist: dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao contains flavonoids that reduce joint inflammation more effectively than most over-the-counter pain relievers. These compounds specifically target the inflammatory pathways that cause morning joint stiffness and exercise-induced soreness. The magnesium in dark chocolate also supports collagen cross-linking for stronger and more flexible cartilage. 2 squares daily turns your dessert into joint medicine. Your legs and joints don't have to deteriorate with age. They just need the right building blocks and inflammatory control that these foods provide naturally. From egg whites that outperform bone broth to dark chocolate that fights inflammation, you now have a complete toolkit for rebuilding your cartilage from the inside out. Next week, I'm revealing the exact timing and combinations that triple these foods' joint healing power, so make sure you're subscribed.